Hello guys, this is Ariful Islam. We are going to practice how to make questions. We do. Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
Yes, I do.
Do you love cooking?
No, I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
Yes, I do.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
No, I don't.
Do you love cooking?
No, I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Delal Hussain speaking. Today we are going to practice how make two question with do. Let's start. Do you love reading books?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
do.
do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
No,
Yes,
I don't.
Do you love cooking?
No, I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
No, I don't.
One more time.
One more time.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
No,
Yes,
I don't.
I do.
Do you love cooking?
No,
I
I
don't.
don't.
Do you love sleeping?
No,
Yes,
I
I
don't.
don't.
That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Hey guys, this is Arif Pani. Today we are going to practice how to make a question with do. So you have to listen carefully. If you listen carefully, you can speak English easily. So let's look at the board and repeat with me. Okay?
Okay.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
No, I
No, I
don't.
don't.
Do you love cooking?
No,
Yes,
I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
Yes, I do.
I will repeat again and you will speak with me.
Okay.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
Yes,
No, I don't.
Do you love cooking?
No, I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
No, I
Yes,
don't.
Hey guys, that's all today. See you next class.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Abu Said. We are going to practice how to make questions with do. Let's go. Do you love reading books?
Yes,
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
do.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, I do.
Do you love sleeping?
No,
I don't.
One more time. Do you love reading books?
Yes, I do.
Do you love learning English?
Yes, I do.
Do you love listening to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you love playing football?
No, I
I
don't.
don't.
Do you love cooking?
No, I
No,
don't.
I don't.
Do you love sleeping?
No, I
No,
don't.
I don't.
Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.